it was easy to make your own steak seasoning, I'm going to show you how. This is my own blend. So simple and delicious. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. J. I am passionate about food, and I also believe that food is healing for the body, mind, and soul. That's why I like to share with you my recipes that are home created in this kitchen with great ingredients. If this sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe. Let's get cooking. So you do want to have your own little coffee grinder. I use this to grind all kinds of spices. I'm just going to start with some whole black peppercorns. I'll have all the measurements in the description below. This is coriander seed. Okay. And it doesn't have to be perfectly ground. A little texture is fine. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is perfect. I'm going to go in my bowl. Got a little bit of dill. This is my secret. A little bit of dried lime zest. So yummy. Some crushed red pepper. Some dried minced garlic. A little dried onion. And some kosher salt. So just a few things, right? Just give that all a mix. Look at that. Amazing. This is so delicious. I mean, I call it steak seasoning, but this would be delicious on chicken or pork as well. So you can put this in a mason jar, or you could put it in a little bottle like this, give it to friends, however you want to do it. This will last in your pantry for up to 6 months. I don't think you're going to have it that long. But simple to make, steak seasoning.